Hello, this is Omar. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add mixed numbers. Before I start, I want to tell you guys that I went camping for 5 nights. Plus, I went paddleboarding in the ocean, which was really fun. The amazing part was that we got approached by two seals in the middle of the ocean. And also, we saw two bald eagles on a tree, and they were very close to us. However, the scary part is that our campsite was visited by a bear. On that first night we came there, so you can imagine how terrified I was at that night, especially when I had to use the washroom. But now let's just do math. I'm going to be showing you an easy way on how to add mixed numbers. So the first thing we want to do is 3 plus 5, which will give you 8. And then I'm going to take the 1/6 and 2/6 and add them separately. So since we already have the common denominator, we just need to add the top, which will be 3, and then you want to keep the common denominator the same. And then since it can reduce, it will be 1/2 because 3 divided by 3 equals 1, and 3 divided by 6 equals 2. And then we'll just stick the half right beside the 8. For the second question, you want to do the same thing. So 2 plus 1 equals 3, and we take 1/5 and 3/10. For here, we have 10 as our common denominator because 5 can go into 10. So 10 divided by 5 will give you 2, and then 2 times 1 will give you 2. And 10 divided by 10 equals 1 times 3 will give you 3. So 2 plus 3 equals 5, and then you want to keep the common denominator same. And then since we can reduce, 5 divided by 5 will give you 1, and 10 divided by 5 is 2. And you'll take that 1/2 and stick it right beside the 3, and you'll have 3 and 1/2.
Omar, how about if your answer, let's say, was 3 and 5/4?
No, you cannot have an improper fraction with a whole number. And I'll show you an example on how to do this. And here's an example to show you how we do that. So we add the whole numbers. So 4 plus 2 will give you 6. And then we want to take 1/2 and 3/4. And then we want to add them. So we need to find our common denominator, which is 4, because 2 can go into 4. And then 4 divided by 2 will give you 2, and then 2 times 1 will give you 2. Plus 4 divided by 4 will give you 1, and then 1 times 3 will give you 3. So therefore we have 5/4. To change this into a mixed number, we see how many times 4 can go into 5. And 4 goes into 5 one time with a remainder of 1. And we put that over 4. And now we want to add this whole number to the 6, which will be 7. And then we will stick the 1/4 right beside the 7. And then we'll have 7 and 1/4 as our final answer.
Okay, that's good, Omar. How about if you're adding a mixed number with proper fraction?
I'll show you an example of this as well. And since in this example we don't have a number to add with 3, you just leave 3 by itself. And then we will add the 1/3 and 1/4. And now we find the lowest common denominator, which is 12. So 12 divided by 3 equals 4 times 1 will give you 4, plus 12 divided by 4 will give you 3 times 1 will give you 3. And then 4 plus 3 equals 7 over 12. And now we stick the 7/12 beside the 3. And that's how you add a mixed number with a proper fraction.
And now don't forget
to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with family and friends. And I'll see you on my next video.